Welcome to a deep dive into two popular dietary approaches, intermittent fasting and traditional diets, as we explore which might be more effective for fat burning. Many people seek efficient ways to manage their weight and improve their health, often turning to various eating strategies. Intermittent fasting, or IF, isn't about what you eat, but rather when you eat, cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting. Common methods include the 16-8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or the 5:2 method, involving 2 non-consecutive fasting days per week. The primary mechanism behind it for fat loss is that it can lead to a natural reduction in calorie intake, as you have less time to consume food. Additionally, fasting periods can lower insulin levels, which encourages the body to tap into stored fat for energy. Many individuals report increased energy and mental clarity during their fasting windows, contributing to an overall sense of well-being. Now let's consider traditional diets, which typically focus on calorie restriction and often specific macronutrient ratios. These diets often involve counting calories, tracking macros, and making conscious food choices throughout the day to create a caloric deficit. The fundamental principle here is that consuming fewer calories than your body burns will lead to weight loss, including fat reduction. Traditional diets can be highly effective when consistently followed, promoting sustainable habits and a balanced intake of nutrients. They often emphasize whole, unprocessed foods, which are beneficial for overall health beyond just fat loss. So, which approach burns fat faster? The answer isn't always straightforward, as both can be highly effective. Intermittent fasting might offer a slight edge in terms of metabolic efficiency for some, by promoting ketosis and fat adaptation. However, the ultimate determinant for fat loss in both methods is achieving a consistent caloric deficit over time. For some, the structured eating windows of IF simplify meal planning and reduce decision fatigue, making adherence easier. Others find the flexibility of traditional calorie-restricted diets more manageable, allowing for more spontaneous social eating. The key is finding a sustainable approach that fits your lifestyle and individual preferences. Consistency is far more crucial than the specific method chosen. Adherence will always yield better results. Both approaches encourage healthier eating habits and can lead to significant fat loss when implemented correctly. It's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Ensuring adequate nutrient intake is vital, regardless of whether you choose intermittent fasting or a traditional diet. Hydration also plays a critical role in metabolic function and overall health, supporting any fat loss journey. Remember, sustainable fat loss is a marathon, not a sprint, requiring patience and consistent effort. Focus on whole foods, adequate protein, and plenty of fiber to support satiety and muscle maintenance. Incorporating regular physical activity will further enhance fat burning and improve body composition. Ultimately, the best diet is the one you can adhere to long-term, leading to consistent progress and improved health. Whether you choose intermittent fasting or a traditional diet, prioritize your well-being and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and remember that every healthy choice contributes to your overall success. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of fat-burning strategies. Stay healthy and stay informed.